Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use ChatGPT in Bing. So let's go to the Microsoft Edge or any browser first. Now right here Bing, just write Bing and click on the first option Bing, and this is the Bing search engine. You have to write here ChatGPT. Just simply write here ChatGPT. Now you can use ChatGPT in two ways. You can use ChatGPT without opening account in ChatGPT, and the second option is you have to open a ChatGPT account, then you can use it. I'm showing you now without opening ChatGPT how you can use ChatGPT. So you have to click on the first link, introducing ChatGPT. Now click on try ChatGPT. Now here you can see that ChatGPT is ready. Write anything to ChatGPT and it will answer you like this. So this is how you can use ChatGPT in Bing. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.